Brenda from the Avon Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of the Garden Gate. It's summertime and you need something for the kids to do. We've got all kinds of neat things here at the Avon Garden Shop. I've got these puppets, which are great for little kids. They're Canadian made. There's all kinds of different ones. This one is made out of recycled pop bottle material. Really fun. This is a little book of backyard bird songs. Kids love these because you just press the button and then you hear the bird actually calling, and you can read about the bird and hear all the different calls that they have. Kids love these, and it's a nice hard surfaced paper. There's a couple of styles of those. We've got a backyard bingo, bird bingo. This is the big book of nature activities that two local authors put together, Jacob Rodenberg from the Environment Center, Kawartha Environment Center, and then Drew Monkman. He's a local naturalist and retired teacher. So all kinds of activities that you can do with the kids, whether it's at the cottage or in the backyard or wherever you like. We have these great carving kits, which we've told you about before, including some of the little necklaces, which we got more stock of recently. Those were really popular. There's some fun sticker books. There's a matching card game, a few local authors as well. We have this little book from Colleen Viskoff. She's local, The Little Bird That Fell from the Sky. There's this series of books. There's some books that are great for teachers to use as well as part of the curriculum. So there's lots of options, little puzzles. We even have bird feeders that stick to the window. So lots of things for the kids to do. Drop by sometime and we'll show you all around. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avon Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.